Hey guys, welcome back to day 3 of our 5-day challenge. So today's challenge, we're actually going to be focused on none other than our prospects, right? The ones that's actually going to purchase the course, right? This is very, very, very important because if you're not really in tune with who your ideal audience is, then how are you actually going to serve them or develop any kind of products for them that's going to actually give them results, right? So many people, this step is actually in everything I teach because we are service-based entrepreneurs. And if we are not in tune to who we serve, then we're really not doing the justice for our business or for our prospects, right? So knowing your ideal audience and knowing your ideal audience and serving your ideal knowing your ideal audience and serving your ideal clients is key. Knowing really intimate information about them. I know it's typical when, you guys hear it so often. Well, who you serve? Who's your ideal audience? Who's your ideal client? I know how typical that is, and you're probably tired of hearing about it. But that lets you know that if you cannot really answer this question, thoroughly, where I actually know this person, like I know them. Like if you cannot describe them the way you can describe your child, guess what? You don't know your ideal audience. So I just want you to right now take the information that you do know or the things that you think you know, write them in your workbooks, because tomorrow we are actually going to get deep into some different exercises and strategies on how you can get to know them a little more personable, right? A little more intimate. Because the more you know about them, the better you are able to create products and services that's best for those guys. So I want you guys to get started. Go to your workbooks and just fill out anything you know. It don't have to be perfect. It could be anything. I just want you to put down as much information you know. I definitely want you to focus on the demographics because that's important, right? You have to know that stuff. I also want you to kind of tap into the psychographics. And if you don't know actually what that is or how to get that information, you definitely want to be on the live because I'm sharing a lot of strategies and showing you exactly how to get that information and how not only to get it, but how you can use that information and create products and services that they love. Soon you talk about, I'm dropping a course. Guess what? They're lined up to buy. So get that stuff in your workbooks because tomorrow we're going to dig deeper. So join me on the live at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time in the group. Hopefully you got access to the group as of now, because if you didn't, I can't get you access before tomorrow. So hopefully you're in there, and I'll see you guys on the inside.